Ever wondered why owls fly so silently? They're nature's stealthiest hunters. Owls have special fringed feathers that muffle sound, allowing them to swoop down on prey without being heard. Their large, forward-facing eyes give them powerful night vision, and their heads can turn almost 270 degrees to scan their surroundings. But deforestation and habitat loss are threatening these silent hunters. With fewer trees to nest in and hunt from, many owl species are struggling to survive. Some are even being captured for the illegal pet trade, which puts them at great risk.